Gas fireplace pilot light flickering because of a draft is super annoying, but you can fix it without calling someone right away. Okay, so first, check if your fireplace is getting hit by a draft from windows, doors, or vents nearby. That's usually the main culprit. You want to gently adjust the pilot assembly by loosening the screws and moving it a bit away from the draft path so the flame doesn't get blown around. Make sure the pilot flame is steady and blue, not yellow or flickering wildly, because that means it's not burning right. If you notice dust or dirt around the pilot light, clean it carefully with a soft brush, since buildup can mess with the flame too. Also, check the fireplace glass door seal and tighten it if it's loose, because air leaks can cause drafts inside the firebox. Sometimes, just closing nearby windows or doors can reduce drafts enough to stop flickering. If your fireplace has a blower fan, try turning it off and see if that helps stabilize the flame. Lastly, always double-check your gas supply line to make sure everything is secure and there are no leaks causing inconsistent gas flow. One of the biggest issues with a flickering gas fireplace pilot light is ignoring drafts from outside or inside your home. This leads to a weak flame and wasted gas. Fixing it means sealing gaps around windows and doors or adjusting your pilot assembly so it's shielded. Another common mistake is not cleaning the pilot light area regularly, which clogs up the burner and makes flickering worse. Cleaning with a soft brush or compressed air can clear this up easily. The third problem is overlooking loose or damaged seals on your fireplace door or glass panel. These let in drafts that mess with the flame stability, so checking and replacing worn seals can make a huge difference. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and won't ghost you halfway through the job. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with homeowners ready to start their projects without all the hassle of searching around.